Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for study abroad with IES Abroad easy tutorial. To begin your journey with IES Abroad, visit their official website. On the home page, locate the Study Abroad section. Click on it to explore the various programs available. Take your time to read through different options to find the program that best suits your academic and personal goals. Once you've chosen a program, click on it for more information. Look for the Apply Now button on the program page. After clicking on Apply Now, you will be directed to create an account. Fill out the required information, including your name, email address, and a password. Confirm your email address by checking your inbox for a verification email from IES Abroad. Click the verification link to activate your account. Log in to your newly created account using your credentials. Complete the online application form with accurate personal, academic, and program-related information. Prepare to upload necessary documents, including your transcript, resume, and personal statement. Ensure each document is formatted correctly and meets any specified guidelines. Once all documents are uploaded, review your application for any errors. Submit your application once you feel confident that all information is accurate. After submission, check your application status regularly in your account dashboard. If selected for an interview, prepare by reviewing your program details and expectations. Attend the interview and present your motivations for studying abroad. Following the interview, await further instructions regarding acceptance. If accepted, follow the next steps for enrollment and visa procedures as outlined by IES Abroad. Stay engaged with any pre-departure orientations offered by the organization. Prepare for your amazing study abroad adventure with enthusiasm and readiness. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.